Hello viewers, in this video we will discussing about the Anaconda, how to install and how to work of the Anaconda. It's my new machine, so I will create one simple window installation of the Anaconda. First of all, you download now. You download in description link in video file. You can easily get from here. How to start? It is very high massive and high level up. It's data science, open source, so you can easily to learn and you can check it out. Level up your data science skills with Anaconda. So this link get uh, from my YouTube account, YouTube description easily, and then you go to first of all you go to it's not very you cannot pay the $9. First you can see the my download file in Anaconda 3. Here just I am open. Here is continue. Press the continue and continue, agree, install, and put your password. If you have your system password, you can put your password. In within seconds you get the all files and all installation done. And you can also you can check it out here. Purchasing plan, you can also purchasing plan, you can expert level data science courses, cloud hosting, notebook servers, 5G of the faster, plus secure cloud storage, get to code environment. And you can also use here GPU bus and CPU bus also, and just like open platform Google Colab. It is a lot of it's very simple, just like our local machine. I have not need to purchase this $9 though, so I am downloading from here and install my computer system. So it's taking simple time. And you also use for example, you set your environment Python. Also you can set environment in Java. It's depend on you. You can see the installation code online. Helpful resources means just like you can go to the commentary and put your any type of error. You get the just like get the answer. Here is the forum. You also visit his your in this community. It is very massive and high level platform for the learning to the Anaconda, and also data science skills, machine learning. And just you can also install easily libraries, Python libraries, computer vision library. And I will also these days I am also use the media IP platform library. So it is taking time. Okay, no problem. I will post some video and and short this type of video. So you can see the after installation all requirements, then data split. You can go to the continue and installation is successfully. So you can also keep and move to the trust means don't delete the from your I do not want the any icon of the this. And you can see go to the terminal, open. You can check it out by terminal slash python. Okay, is our Anaconda. Yeah, I am pressing the just like you can see the Anaconda. Sorry, Anaconda. You can see the also all dependency and installation part will be completed. So only you can use the name Conda, Conda. Okay, I hope you like it. It's very basic and simple, and we can create one simple video installation part. We go to the next level, daily basis update, computer vision, AI, and also data science projects. I hope you like it. Please support our channel for more getting information updates.